Guys, look who I got here. Determined veteran. Check him out on YouTube. Let me show you guys his absolutely amazing 2021 Road Glide with a 131 Stage 4. He's got a lot of awesome components on this bike. Check it out. Dave just put on Determined Veterans bike on the dyno, 131 Stage 4. He's going to do some runs so you guys could see how much a stock 131, well, I can't say stock, but it's basically from the factory 131 Stage 4, all their components. You guys will be able to see exactly how much power it has compared to, say, my build or any other 128 or 130 big bore kit. You guys will see.
So I was watching you in Texas, so it's awesome to finally move up here to meet everybody, because when you're in Texas, it's a long way from Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So
Yeah, you could probably fit 4 Pennsylvanias in Texas, no?
That's right.
more than that. That's a big damn state, you know? But hey,
Bike looks
I was
nice.
blessed to be from Texas, join the Army in Texas, and retire in Texas. So that's good. I love my home
Good
state.
for
And I
you.
miss Whataburger.
Good for you. Thank you for your service, brother.
Thank you for your
Appreciate you, man.
service.
Appreciate you.
Israeli Army.
Okay.
Yeah.
That counts half. We'll give them 50%.
No, there's some bad mofos over there, man. Like, you gotta.
Yeah, they're right, because we give them what, 90 billion? We give you guys $90 billion a year?
18 years.
So I worked.
Well, they're actually smart. It's still mandatory, right?
Absolutely.
And that's
Yeah,
what
it's like 2
that's what they should do still in America. Everybody should at least 2 years in the military
I
serve.
don't know. You're messing
I-
with my old soldiers, man.
Well,
They're
listen,
really troublesome.
you know what? The problem, I won't go political here, but I think everybody should at least do 2 years
Some service.
in the military, so this way you know how to appreciate your country and to respect your country. That's all I will say.
That's right.
Let's go. Enough of that. Into, obviously, his badass bike.
Dave, what are your predictions?
No, I don't say nothing until I have.
There you go.
We knew that was going to happen.
If this is a warranty bill.
Here we go. Let's see what the numbers are.
Yeah. I'm excited.
So what do we got here? We got 133 foot-pounds on the torque, and
116
116.25 on the power. Nice
wheel,
numbers.
Yeah, wheel horsepower.
Nice, of course.
Yeah.
Nice
Not
numbers.
bad.
Not bad at all. I mean,
It's a warranty build.
it is a total warranty build. Like, and so what I think is appealing about a warranty build is, you know, you're riding this 1,000 miles, you wad up your motor, Harley will still fix it. However, I will say this in defense of aftermarkets: if you spend the right kind of money on an aftermarket kit, it will be just as reliable by the installer as well.
Right.
You know?
So here we go here. This blue line is a bone stock Road Glide, actually John's bike. 114 with stock air filter and stock exhaust. How you get it off the showroom floor. There's our comparison. This is what you gained when you got this package on a Harley Davidson.
That's pretty good.
It's a big change.
It's a big jump.
It's a big change.
Just for shits and giggles, can you throw up mine with the Stage 2
Sure.
114 475 cam just to show people?
Yeah, I was gonna say that'd be a pretty good comparison.
It's very close. Actually, the Stage 2 puts out more power.
Yeah.
I can do that for you.
so
What kind of
people-
cams do you have in it?
475.
Oh, 475.
That's,
Okay.
That was the first thing.
And it's
that
very
quoted me.
interesting, so just so people know, they
Here
could
we
throw
go.
in a Stage 2 and get
Oh wow.
kind of similar
Oh
numbers.
wow.
Yep.
So, but now the
Look at
difference here is, yes, this is 6th gear versus 5th. There's a little change there, about 3 or 4. But this is a Chromeworks exhaust system with an SNS 475 cam with a high flow air filter versus John stock. And you can see here, this cam upgrade and exhaust gets you the same place, but your warranty's void when you do this.
Sure, sure.
Yeah.
Absolutely. It's very important to
Yes.
note that. Sure.
Yeah.
But in the
Of course.
same token, this 131 upgrade, I'm not sure what it costs. I don't know if you
Yeah,
want to
yeah.
say what it costs.
It's like 39. It's like just shy of 4,000.
Is that labor?
retail. No, that's not labor.
No,
that's
no,
parts,
we
parts.
need it all.
Yeah.
Labor.
I can't tell you labor.
Yeah.
I know it's 15
Well,
flag hours
you
for
would
it.
know,
Okay, so
Dave.
that's 1,500.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go 1,500. So it's 5,000. It's about $6,000 by the time
Right.
you're out the door.
Right.
This here, Stage 2 with an exhaust and air filter and tuning, you're going to be probably around 45 to 5. But again, you have to be comfortable with that warranty's void.
Right.
But it's only the warranty on the drivetrain that they void. Let's say you have a radio problem.
Yeah.
Or something else.
Yeah,
that's
Max
still
and
okay.
Mossad. Yeah, exactly.
But if you go blow your trans or you're on your
That's-
own.
They send it to the dyno tuner, they get the sheet, and they never get any explanation. So that's what's good about today's video, guys, is that he's actually explaining this because this is the behind the scenes of what they're doing. So there's all kinds of way to make you look like you're making a lot of power.
Oh, yeah.
But truth be told, this is the accurate number here on Vader. And then comparison to John's old Stage 2, very similar power, comp with cost and everything else, So,
But no warranty.
but no warranty, as Holy Shift is saying. Again, I guess people are gonna take a shot every time you see warranty in this video. You know what I mean? So yeah.
That's if somebody's worried about it. That's all. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
If somebody
no.
wants their warranty, like the 131 here, absolutely great move. And after warranty's done, you could do a lot more
absolutely.
power to it. I
Absolutely.
mean,
Like
then
this thing-
sky's the limit. Then you got power numbers like mine or above. Maybe you could pull up a 131, Dave, with the cam. That maybe one of those cams. I do. Oh, you have it. Okay.
So let me make this easier to see.
So guys, this is the 131.
It's
Which
getting-
cam, Dave?
This is my favorite good old fashioned
the
TTS
TTS.
250.
TTS 250.
Now this here is a
Wow.
131 that rolled in with a Reinhardt exhaust and a Reinhardt head pipe. I think he had a stock head pipe. I forget what head pipe we used.
Now he wasn't on the same. Was he still on the Kevlar belt, or did he move chain?
No, he's sewing a belt.
Jeez.
And what this person did, he had exactly here the 131 warranty built, and he wasn't happy with it. He wanted more. So it's okay. We kicked it up a notch. We kept his Reinhardt mufflers, which are not the ideal system. It will peak higher with an exhaust system like that. It will dive faster,
You're
and
losing
it will
torque
be
on the
softer
back end.
here.
Yeah.
But he went from, let's say, 131 torque to 161.
Wow.
His horsepower went from 116 to 146,
Yeah, nice numbers.
and that's not an optimal exhaust.
And what was the tuner they used on that? Do you remember?
The tuner on this was TTS.
Was TTS? Yeah, because Dave, you specialize in installing all their stuff. You're a vendor for TTS.
Yep. TTS I use Techno Research. I will tune Power Vision if you have one. but it's not my choice because they do lots of weird things.
Okay.
And even more days, they do more weird things.
So even a great comparison, like my bike, 130, right? TTS 250. I got a little less torque, but I got more power.
Yep.
Oh, you actually have a on
TTS
your right,
250,
your road glide
that's
you're talking
right,
about. Yeah,
that's
yeah,
right.
yeah.
So
a
it's
beautiful
got more.
bike.
Thank you. It got more power,
Here we
but a
go.
little less torque. Oh, there you go. So that's silverback on the bottom, so
Yeah.
that you guys could see.
Yep. And
Yeah,
here's
so if you're-
Silverback, you can see here it's a little soft in the mid-range, and we were goofing around with his baffles, but look, he came in earlier, a little more low-end torque. We gave up some mid-range, but we also gained top range. You know, but again, you don't ride a dyno, but it's interesting to see how exhaust systems and things
Crazy.
change everything on here.
Absolutely.
Very impressive.
And you've got a hell of a build because it's not only is it a performance bagger. For everyone who doesn't know who John is, there you are.
Thanks.
Yeah, so
Thanks,
anybody,
brother.
so anyone that doesn't know John from Cycle Fanatix, he's got a great. It's a 2020 Road Glide special
Yep.
built up. He calls Silverback.
Right.
For obvious reasons.
130 T-Man Performance. Obviously, Dave does all my work. Just a great guy, and he just knows his stuff. You know?
Absolutely.
He just knows his stuff, and that's why we've been bringing his, all the bikes to him to do the dyno tuning, to do the engine work. He's just the guy
Thank you.
to go
Yeah,
to.
absolutely. Yeah. No, I mean,
Here's another example here. This one here we used Ward's heads with a TTS 250 cam with a Thunderheader X, but it has a power vision which the speed limit was cutting off here. But this son of a bitch made 160 horsepower.
jeez.
Nice.
But the difference is this is showing you how exhaust systems change graphs.
Absolutely.
Same cam, different exhaust, head similar flow. And if I could keep this going, this would have went up probably 163 if this power limit didn't shut this off at the
It
vision.
looked like it just keeps rising.
It wanted to keep going.
And you can see where it just goes like that. That's
Yep.
where the speed limiter kicked
Yep.
in.
And the strange thing about this is I did not expect this out of this cam.
Wow.
Did not. But that's the Thunderheader X, which, I hate to say it, that's a damn good working exhaust.
Yeah, that was a hell of a. And that was on still stock belt.
If
Y'all-
you
some people like to ride dangerously,
if
man.
you don't
'cause
really- well,
if I do that much power, I'm doing chain and
Yeah,
sprocket.
if you don't beat the shit out of it, it's gonna last.
Yeah, if you
Not
don't
like
really-
how I ride.
That's right.
Well,
Probably you
yeah, that's
ride.
what I was gonna say.
But we'll rip the teeth off of the belt. But
Yep. And the stock belt.
but I don't want to be up in Sturgis, trying to find somewhere to replace a belt.
No,
You know what I mean?
no. But then it goes show you, if you want a performance build,
Yeah.
you have to do the things to protect your
Absolutely.
performance build.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Right. There's a lot more that goes on.
Awesome, awesome info, Dave.
Yeah,
Thanks.
absolutely. Thanks, Dave. I appreciate it, man.
You're welcome. My
Big shout out
pleasure.
to Dave. I'll leave his information down in the description. Also, Holy Shift here in the house and John from Cycle Fanatix.
Thanks,
I'll
brother.
leave
Appreciate
both
it.
their channels in the pinned comments so you can follow them. And I'll put Dave's information in there in the pinned comment
Awesome.
as well. So
Thanks, brother.
definitely.
Appreciate
I appreciate
it.
y'all showing up
Appreciate it,
today, man.
Thank you. Appreciate
Being
it.
the voice of reason,
Appreciate it.
hanging with this old redneck from Texas.
That's so good.
Up here with the Northern boys.
Yeah, my wife.
We're going to show you guys this video after Determined Veteran puts his video on. Obviously, he needs to do that first, so then you guys will see the numbers. Thanks for watching. Hope this information is killer for you guys. Peace out.